Good morning, chameleons. Once again, I welcome you all in your English class. So, students, open your English course book, page 40, chapter 10. The thirsty animals. Thirsty means need a feel to drink. So, let's begin. Where do you look for water when you are thirsty? Yes, you look for bottle or use glass for water to drink. Where do you think animals look for water when they are thirsty? Students, do they drink from tap or use glass? No, they look for river, seas or lakes. So, read a story and find out what a thirsty animals do. So let's see. Students, first you look at the pictures on pages 40 and 41. See here, how do the animals look? All the animals look tired and thirsty. What suggests that they are thirsty? Means आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो thirsty हैं? See pictures. They have their tongues hanging out, which suggests that they are thirsty. Now, see the parrot's expression. It suggests that river is dry and the parrot appears to be flying away. So now see on pages 42 and 43. See students, here all the animals are happy. So there is a great change in the story from first picture to the second picture. To know about more, so let's read the story. Let's read. It is very hot in the forest. The sun is shining bright. So students, it is the story about the forest where sun is shining bright. There is no water anywhere. कहीं भी पानी नहीं है. The river is dry. The lake is dry. The pond is dry. So the river, lake, pond all are dry. See, lake means झील and pond is smaller than the lake. All the animals are feeling thirsty. The crabs have stopped crawling. All the animals are feeling thirsty. Then they come together. The lion says, "What shall we do?" Now all the animals come together and the king of the jungle, lion, says, "What shall we do?" The giraffe says, "I have a long neck. Let me look above the trees. Can I see any water?" Now the thirsty giraffe says, चलो मैं देखता हूँ कि पेड़ों से ऊपर क्या है. Then he stretches his neck, means he makes his neck longer and looks here and he looks there. He cannot see any water, so he is not able to find any water. Then the monkey says, "Let me go and search for water." He hops from one branch to another. He still cannot find any water. He returns sad. So monkey says that he wants to try to find water, but he fails to find water and he feels sad. Search means try to find something. Then the lion asks everyone. The lions ask all the animals, "Now what should we do?" Then turn page 41. The moles are sitting quietly and listening to everyone. Moles means a small animal like a rat, and they are sitting quietly and hearing to every animal. They say together, "We will dig the ground and see if we can find water." The moles say that they will dig the ground to find water. They start digging the ground and go deeper and deeper. Go deeper and deeper means वो गहरे से गहरे में जाते जाते हैं. After almost a day, they come back tired. They cannot find any water. So they cannot find any water. The lion says, if we do not find water, we will all die of thirst. Then the king of the jungle says that if we do not find water, then तो हम प्यासे ही मर जाएंगे. Turn page 42. The parrot who is sitting on the tree says, I will fly to the end of the forest and look for water. So the parrot says that I will fly to the end of the forest in search of water. Everyone says, yes, please, we will wait for you. The parrot flies to the end of the forest. She flies here, she flies there, but she cannot see water anywhere. So she flies here and there, but she is not able to find any water. See, she is used for parrot. She sits on the branch of the tree next to the crows. So crows are sitting on the tree and the parrot sits next to the crows. Soon she sees something shining. She flies towards it. The parrot sees something shining and she flies towards that thing. Turn page 43. It is water in a pond. What does the parrot see? Parrot sees water in a pond. She comes flying back to her animal friends. She says, I have found a pond at the end of the forest. Let us go there at once. Then the parrot comes back to her animal friends and says that she had found a pond at the end of the forest. All the animals start jumping and shouting. Now all the animals are happy and they start jumping and shouting in joy. They start walking towards the pond. Now they start walking towards the water. They walk and walk and walk. They reach the end of the forest. Now finally they reach near the water. Suddenly they see the pond. Everyone claps and shouts, water. They rush towards the pond. Splash. The elephant sprays water on everyone in joy. In this picture, the elephant sprays water on everyone and all the animals are happy. Last line. All the animals thank the parrot. They are happy now. Now students, all the animals thank the parrot and all the animals are happy. So students, you must read this chapter 2 times. That's all for the day. Bye.